हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे आवर टॉपिक इज़ इंडियन स्टेट्स एंड देयर कैपिटल्स। तो उससे पहले हम थोड़ा इंडिया के बारे में जानते हैं। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं हम इंडिया के कुछ फैक्ट्स। तो हम स्टार्टिंग करते हैं इंडिया के कुछ फैक्ट्स से। जैसे फर्स्ट फैक्ट, इंडिया का पहला फैक्ट क्या है? फर्स्ट इज द नेम India derives from the river Indus. इंडिया का नेम कहाँ से लिया गया है? इंडस रिवर से। इंडस रिवर में सिंधु नदी से हमारा इंडिया का नाम लिया गया है। इसके बाद हम सेकंड फैक्ट के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं। और सेकंड फैक्ट इज इंडिया हमारा क्या है? सेकंड लार्जेस्ट पॉपुलेशन है हमारे इंडिया की। हमारी सबसे मतलब पॉपुलेशन के हिसाब से इंडिया जो है वो सेकंड लार्जेस्ट कंट्री है हमारी वर्ल्ड की। तो हम लिख लेते हैं इसे, इंडिया इज द second largest populous. India is the second largest populous country in the world. So our third point is India is the सेवंथ, आप चाहो तो इन्हें नोट भी कर सकते हैं या स्क्रीनशॉट भी ले सकते हैं। इंडिया इज द सेवंथ लार्जेस्ट कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड। इंडिया हमारी क्या है? सेवंथ लार्जेस्ट कंट्री है हमारी वर्ल्ड की बाय एरिया के हिसाब से। एंड इट इज ऑल्सो द वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट डेमोक्रेसी। इंडिया हैज द लार्जेस्ट डेमोक्रेसी इन द वर्ल्ड। इंडिया हमारी सबसे लार्जेस्ट डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री है वर्ल्ड की। इसके बाद अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं फोर्थ फैक्ट। सो आवर फोर्थ फैक्ट इज 70% ऑफ ऑल द वर्ल्ड्स स्पीसीज कम फ्रॉम इंडिया। वर्ल्ड की 70% जो हमारी स्पीसीज है वो इंडिया से आती है। कम फ्रॉम इंडिया। एंड लास्ट वन, फिफ्थ फैक्ट। लास्ट वन फैक्ट इज इंडिया इज द वर्ल्ड्स largest arms importer. Arms means हथियार, arms importer. इंडिया हमारी क्या है? इंडिया लार्जेस्ट कंट्री है जो हमारी हथियारों को इंपोर्ट करती है। सो यहाँ पे फैक्ट्स हमारे ख़त्म हो चुके हैं। आप चाहो तो स्क्रीनशॉट भी ले सकते हो। इसके बाद अब हम स्टार्ट करेंगे इंडिया के स्टेट्स और उनके कैपिटल्स के बारे में। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट इंडियन स्टेट्स एंड देयर कैपिटल्स। बाय स्टेट, कैपिटल्स, official languages of states, and the number of districts. First one is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. Capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati. Amravati. Its official language is Telugu and it is divided into 13 districts. After this, second one is Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh. Its capital is Itanagar. Its official language is English and it is divided into 25 districts. After this, third one is Assam. Its capital is Dispur. Official language is Assamese. Assamese, and it is divided into 33 districts. After this, fourth one is Bihar. Its official language, its capital is Patna. Its official language is Hindi and it is divided into 38 districts. Districts means administrative divisions. After this, fifth one is Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh. Its official language is Chhattisgarhi. Chhattisgarhi. Its capital is Naya Raipur. Naya Raipur. And it is divided into 27 districts. After this, sixth one is Goa. Goa is the smallest state of our country. Its capital is Panaji. Its official language is Konkani and it is divided into 2 districts, or it has only 2 districts. After this, seventh one is Gujarat. Its capital is Gandhinagar. Gandhinagar. Its official language is Gujarati. Gujarati, and it is divided into 33 districts. After Gujarat, it is Haryana. हरियाणा की कैपिटल है चंडीगढ़. Its official language is Haryanvi and it is divided into 22 districts. After Haryana, ninth one is Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh. Its capital is Shimla. Shimla. Its official language is Hindi and it is divided into 12 administrative divisions. After that, ninth one is Jharkhand. Jharkhand. Its capital is Ranchi. Its official language is Hindi and it is divided into 24 districts. After this, 11th one is Karnataka. Karnataka. Its official language is Kannada. Its capital is Bangalore. and it is divided into 30 districts. After that 12th one is Kerala. Its capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Its official language is Malayalam, and it is divided into 14 districts. After Kerala, 13th one is Madhya Pradesh. Its official language is Hindi. Its capital is Bhopal, and it is divided into 52 districts. After Madhya Pradesh, it is Maharashtra. Its capital is Mumbai. Mumbai is called a Maya Nagari. It's after this, its official language is Marathi, and it is divided into 36 districts. After Maharashtra, 15th one is Manipur. Its capital is Imphal. Its official language is Manipuri, and it is divided into 16 districts. After this, 16th one is Mizoram. Its capital is Aizawl. Its official language is Mizo, and it is divided into 8 districts. After this, 17th one is Meghalaya. It is Meghalaya. Its capital is Shillong. Its official language is English, and it is divided into 11 districts. After this, 18th one is Nagaland. Its capital is Kohima. Its official language is English, and it is divided into 12 districts. After this, 19th one is Odisha. Its capital is Bhubaneswar. Its official language is Oriya, and it is divided into 30 districts. After Odisha, it is Punjab. Its capital is Chandigarh. Its official language is Punjabi, and it is divided into 22 districts. After this, it is Rajasthan. Its capital is Jaipur. Its official language is Hindi, and it is divided into 33 districts. Rajasthan is the largest state of our country, India. After that, 22nd is Sikkim. Its capital is Gangtok. Its official language is Nepali. There are lots of Nepalese people, so that's why its official language is Nepali. इसके बाद it is divided into 4 districts. After this, 23rd is Tamil Nadu. Its capital is Chennai. Its official language is Tamil, and it is divided into 37 districts. After this, 24th is Telangana. Its official language is Telugu and Urdu. Its capital is Hyderabad, and it is divided into 33 districts. After Telangana, it is Tripura. Its capital is Agartala. Its official language is Bengali and Kokborok, and it is divided into 8 districts. After Tripura, 26th is Uttar Pradesh. Its capital is Lucknow. Its official language is Hindi, and it is divided into 75 districts. After Uttar Pradesh, 27th is Uttarakhand. Its capital is Dehradun. Its official language is Hindi, and it is divided into 13 districts. After this, 28th and the last one is West Bengal. Its capital is Kolkata. Its official language is Bengali, and it is divided into 23 districts. So our all 28 states are completed, and after that we started the union territories. So there are total 8 union territories. First one is start with Andaman and Nicobar Island. Its capital is Port Blair. Its official language is English, and it has 3 administrative divisions. After Andaman, second one is Chandigarh. Its capital is also Chandigarh. Its official language is Punjabi, and it has only 1 district. After Chandigarh, third one is Dadar Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu. Its capital is Daman. Its official language is Konkani. Gujarati and Hindi. And it has 3 districts. After this, fourth one is Delhi. It is Delhi. Its capital is New Delhi. New Delhi is also the capital of India. After this, its official language is Hindi, Punjabi and Urdu. And it has 11 districts. After that, fifth one is Jammu and Kashmir. Its capital is Srinagar. It does not have any official language, and it is divided into 20 districts. After this, sixth one is Ladakh. Its capital is Leh. Its official language is Ladakhi, and it is divided into 2 districts. After this, 7th one is Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep. Its capital is Kavarati. Its official language is English and it has only 1 district. After this, last one is Puducherry. Its capital is also Puducherry. Its official language is Tamil and English, and it is divided into 4 districts. So this is all about today's video. Thanks for watching.